next we are discussing type 10. Type 10 is what? If in problem two linear expression L1 and L2 is present, then we can try to put L1 by L2 as what? T. So for that we are taking example. This example is what? Integration of dx divided by 7th root of x minus 1 to the power 8 into x minus 2 to the power 6. Then how to integrate these type of problems? So whenever these type of problems will come, then we will try to convert L1 by L2 to the power t. Okay, so here what we can do here, this one we can do by two ways. Okay, first is what? Integration of, this is what, dx divided by 7th root of x minus 1 to the power 8 into x minus 2 to the power 6. Here I can make like that also, x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Okay, L1 by L2. So L1 we can take x minus 1 and L2 we can take x minus 2. So if you want to make x minus 1 divided by x minus 2, so what you can do here, we will divide here x minus 2 to the power 8. If you are dividing, then you have to multiply. So if you multiply here x minus 2 to the power 8. This is one way. Other way is what? You can do like that also. If you want this one, we can convert integration of dx divided by 7th root of, here we will do what? X minus 1 to the power 8. Now here we will try to make x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. So here what we can do? X minus 2 to the power 6, and we are dividing here what? X minus 1 to the power 6. If you are dividing, then you have to multiply also. So x minus 1 to the power 6 we are multiplying. So this will come what? Integration of dx divided by 7th root of, this one we can write x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 to the whole power 8 and x minus 2 to the power 14, this one. So here what you will do, x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 you will take as what? T. So for this one what you will do, x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 you will take t. Then we will differentiate this one. So what will come here? X minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 is what? Outside. X minus 1 differentiate what will come? X differentiate what? 1 and minus 1 differentiate what? 0. So 1 minus 0 minus x minus 1 and x minus 2 differentiate what will come? 1. Dx equal to dt. So if we simplify this one, what will come? Here plus x minus x getting cancelled. Minus 2 into 1 and minus of minus plus 1. So what will come here? Minus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square dx equal to dt. Okay. So this integration will become what? See, first this one we can write integration of, if I take x minus 2 power 14, okay, and this was 7th root, so this one we can write what? Integration of dx divided by x minus 2 whole square and 7th root of x minus 1 to the power divided by x minus 2 whole power 8 we can write. So dx divided by x minus 2 whole square, this one we can write what? Minus dt. So this will become what? Integration of minus dt divided by 7th root of, this one we can write what? X minus 1 divided by x minus 2, what we can write? T. So what will come here? T power 8. This one integration we can do directly. So minus is outside. T power 8 by 7 integration will become t power minus 8 by 7 plus 1 divided by minus 8 by 7 plus 1 plus c. This will come what? Minus 8 by 7 plus 1 is what? Minus 1 by 7. So this will come what? 7 t power minus 1 by 7 plus c. So t value we will put. T value is what? X minus 1 divided by x minus 2. So this will come what? 7 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 to the whole power minus 1 by 7 plus c. This is your answer. Same thing here also what you will do. So here what will come here? Integration of dx divided by 7th root of, here what will come? X minus 1 to the power 8 into x minus 1 to the power 6. So what will come here? X minus 1 to the power 14 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 to the whole power 6 will come. Okay, so this one we can write integration of dx divided by x minus 1 whole square into 7th root of, yeah, we can write this one, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 to the power 6 by 7 will come. So here what we will do, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1, we will take t. X minus 2 divided by x minus 1, we will take t. Now we will differentiate this one. So here differentiate what will come, x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so here x minus 1 is outside. X minus 2 differentiate what will come, 1 minus x minus 2 as it is, and x minus 1 differentiate what will come, 1 dx equal to dt. So here x and this is getting cancelled. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is what, plus 2. So what will come, 1 divided by, dx divided by x minus 1 whole square equal to dt. So this integration will become what, dx divided by x minus 1 whole square, we can add dt, and this is what, t. This will come what, dt divided by t power 6 by 7. So this one integration will become t power minus 6 by 7 plus 1 divided by minus 6 by 7 plus 1 plus c. So this will come what, t power 1 by 7 divided by 1 by 7 plus c. So this one we can write as what, 7, and t value is what, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. So this will come what, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 to the power 1 by 7 plus c. This is your answer. So like that we can integrate these type of problems.